gorgeous.
I think it was a minute, yeah. Sorry.
Who's gonna get your tea?
You're so easy.
How old are you?
20.
Oh my god!
31st of August.
Oh my god!
Thank you. Even sometimes when I'm doing my tutorials, I could be holding an eyeshadow brush and it will fall out of my hands because my hands get so weak.
Sorry, just 1 second. But you don't give up.
No.
You don't give up. You keep going.
I keep going. I keep reminding myself that you're good, you're doing amazing. Having done that today, you know, coming here is only just reminding me that Samantha, you do really well, just keep going. So, yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Do you want a break from it as well?
Just for a second.
Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Samantha aka Miss LG. If not, thank you for coming back. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. I am blessed enough to be sent PR from Huda Beauty and they sent me this beautiful bag saying Overachiever on it, and on the other side it says Huda Beauty. First of all, I want to say thank you so much to Huda Beauty for sending me this PR package, and as well thank you for allowing me to be a part of your Overachiever Concealer campaign. I had the best time in Dubai, so thank you so much Huda Beauty.
I keep reminding myself that you're good, you're doing amazing. When you have passion and love for something, you will always try to find another way.
Now onto the concealer. I did receive 2 concealers. They sent me the shade Hazelnut 32G and the shade Honeycomb 30R. I found them not to be exactly what I wanted, so I went ahead and ordered another concealer online. They also sent me the Huda Beauty Face Conceal and Blend dual-ended brush, and this is what it looks like, as well as the basic B sponge. The sponge really does feel soft. When you do order the concealer online or you buy it in store, it does come with a box. I do want to order more lighter shades and then I will see what they look like, because I still feel like Salted Caramel, the one that I ordered online, it doesn't give me that proper highlighted effect. From left to right, the shades are Salted Caramel, Honeycomb and Hazelnut. If you're interested in how I came about with the eye makeup look, or you like the shadows, or you just want to know how the Huda Beauty new Nude palette works, I'll make sure to include it in the description bar below and to add it on the card up here. with the beauty blender, which is called the Basic B, and boy does it expand. It feels so soft as well. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Overachiever concealer in the shade Salted Caramel 26G. Regardless of me being a part of the concealer campaign for this concealer, I'm going to be honest about my thoughts and opinions. And truth be told, I love the concealer. I absolutely love the concealer. This is the shade that I bought, which I thought would be perfect for me to conceal with. This is big and soft. This is my first time using the blender. Yeah, however, I don't find it to be the correct shade for highlighting. I'm definitely gonna buy more shades lighter than this shade, but it's also hard to try and figure out your color exactly from looking online. Oh, this sponge, where have you been? You see, this one gives me a nice natural finish, this concealer. I really like the fact that this concealer is sticky when you're blending it. That way it shows that it won't move. It won't move around during the day, it will stay in place. And I feel like when blending it, it makes it a little bit more easier because it's a sticky concealer. Wow. I'm acting as if this hasn't been my go-to. This concealer is bomb. It's full coverage. It will cover your bags, your sins, your enemies. It will cover everything. Look at this. Look at how my face has been lifted. I would like that more of a highlighted effect, but because I'm reviewing this concealer, I'm not going to put a different concealer which is lighter on top to brighten it up. I'm just going to leave it like this, and then I go ahead and apply my setting powder, etc. Using the booty side of the beauty blender, I'm just going to blend the edges. This sponge is so soft, you guys, honestly. Line of demarcation where? I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Huda Beauty Kunafa setting powder. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face using the Overachiever concealer in the shade Hazelnut 32G. Go ahead and cover my contour using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Cinnamon Band Powder. Because I don't use a brush to blend out my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use the Huda Beauty Face Conceal and Blend dual-sided brush. This brush came with my Overachiever case. I'm going to use the biggest side to blend out the powder. This brush is really nice. I like how you can actually get right underneath the eyes, and if you want to get on your near your waterline, I like how you can just do that and wipe the powder off. Obviously, if you do use a brush to blend out concealer, I think this would be a good brush. I will try blending out my concealer with this brush next time. Actually, it's so soft. I love how it is slanting a little bit at a approximately 45-degree angle, and I just like it. It's nice. It's pretty nice. I'm now using my blank canvas F15 brush. I really love this brush. Go ahead and use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. My makeup, I went ahead and had dinner and I took a little break, and it's been 4 hours now since I applied this makeup, and this is what my face looks like. The concealer, guys, it does stay. It has long staying power. It is full coverage. It will cover your bags. It will cover everything. I really like the concealer. I definitely need to get a lighter shade, so I'm definitely going to be picking up more shades of the Overachiever concealer. The concealer will crease slightly in your under eye crease lines if you do crease. Mine, it does crease here and there, but that's because I find that with a lot of concealers, my under eyes, they just crease. I don't know why. Maybe it's my blending technique. Maybe I need to not wet the beauty blender or something. I don't know, but I find that my under eyes don't crease as much as when I use my Elego Pro Conceal. But then on the other hand, that might be the price and brand difference, because Elego is lower end, Huda Beauty is high end, so you did the maths. But yeah, I do like the concealer overall, and I feel like, I don't know, you guys, you know what I'm saying? It's absolutely beautiful. It is a high-end concealer, but I would definitely suggest, if you want to cover your dark circles, your bags, if you want to cover anything, I would definitely recommend you to buy this concealer, because it is that much of an overachiever. No pun intended. I've always wanted to say no pun intended. Now I have. Wait, is it no pun intended or pun intended? Oh, whatever, I've said it already. Okay. The concealer is definitely an overachiever, and I'm not trying to goss it up, I'm not trying to overhype it. I am saying it as it is. It is definitely an overachiever concealer. Like, you ain't gotta tell me twice, sis. I really like this concealer. I want to get all the shades. Okay, I love this concealer. There's nothing more I can say about it. If you don't like full coverage concealers, then you are most likely not going to like them. What makes me love this concealer even more is that it has a Zamak applicator. Now, a Zamak applicator is this metal thing. As you can see, it is slanting a little bit. I love this applicator. It is made out of metal, and when you apply it on your skin, it does have a cooling effect. When you're using it to highlight your under eyes, I like to first put it on, just hold it underneath my eyes, and then go there and hold it, go to the next part, hold it, just to depuff my under eyes, and then after that I squeeze the tube and let the concealer come out. If you just go ahead straight and just squeeze the tube and apply the concealer, you will not really feel the cooling of the Zamak applicator, because it would have been covered with product. It is very easy to clean, and if you're a makeup artist, this is so hygienic when using on clients. I love this concealer. I cannot rave it enough. You gotta try the Overachiever concealer. You have to try it, girl. Okay. Oh, let me talk for a minute about the campaign, guys. If you may know or don't know already, I was part of the Overachiever Concealer campaign. Huda flew me to Dubai and I took my mother with, and it was such an amazing beautiful experience, y'all. Like, I cannot hype it enough. It was an amazing experience. I'm still editing the video. I know it's been what, like 2 months now. Oh boy. I'll make sure to include the video up in the card or in the description bar below once the video is done. I had this vision on how I want to edit the video, but it's just not been coming out, and it's really been frustrating me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I'm going to I did however go ahead and bought if you're interested in the new Nude palette works, or you just wanna I went ahead and wet the beauty. Why is it not auto-focusing? This is the shade that I bought, which I thought would be perfect for my concealing. If I want, I would, because I don't use a brush. Might as well have been a full face of Huda Beauty. I don't know, what do I think? And he's standing, waiting for you. Y'all are not ready? You're not ready? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up.